What if you could start making money online by promoting other people's products, without buying anything, without inventory, and without customer support? That's affiliate marketing in 2025, and it's more powerful than ever. What is affiliate marketing? 2025 version. Promote someone else's product. Right pointing arrow. Get a commission when someone buys through your link. Digital products, courses, SaaS, templates, even crypto tools. New platforms, TikTok Shop, Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, Amazon Influencer. Step by step. How to get started. Choose a niche. Tech, health, AI tools, finance, productivity. Join an affiliate platform. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Partner Stack, Impact, Gumroad. Get your custom affiliate link. Create content around the problem the product solves. Best affiliate products to promote. Digital courses, high commission, SaaS subscriptions, recurring revenue, AI tools, trending plus evergreen, templates, ebooks, checklists. Always focus on solving a problem. How to promote without paid ads. YouTube Shorts plus Pictory plus ChatGPT script, TikTok plus CapCut templates, Pinterest pins plus Canva. Email marketing with Beehive, MailerLite, Quora plus Medium articles. Free tools you can use. ChatGPT, write scripts, emails, captions. Canva, design thumbnails, promos. Bitly, track clicks. Notion, Trello, organize links and strategies. Pictory, make videos without showing your face. Common mistakes to avoid: promoting everything and anything, not adding value, just spamming links, ignoring analytics and click tracking, giving up too early. Most success comes in month 2 to 3. My affiliate strategy: pick 1 to 2 affiliate offers, build short form content around pain points, link to landing page with bonuses or lead magnet, capture emails for long-term audience. Real results. Is it worth it? Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a real way to build income over time. I earn monthly commissions from videos I made months ago, all automated. If this video helped you, hit the like button and comment below which platform you want to learn more about. I'll make a full video just for that. Subscribe for more AI-powered online income guides.